today in the courtroom, and I've already flown to Phoenix for the Snowflake event that's tomorrow. We're gonna premiere show Lavoy Dead Man Talking episode 1 in Snowflake. So I'm pretty excited about that. I get to see Senator Sylvia Allen and Cope Reynolds and all of my friends there in Snowflake, and I'm really looking forward to that. But the update on the court proceedings today, very interesting day, very interesting day. We had Victoria, who was a medical examiner, very professional, very right, spot on. You could tell she was just giving you the facts. I really appreciated that. We had other officers testify. It was very interesting. Some of the things that came out from the testimony of these particular officers that were Deschutes County investigators and detectives that were tasked with doing the investigation for the crime scene there. One of the roadblock vehicles that the two officers were in, I believe it was the OSP officers that had one of these vehicles, they left the scene without marking the truck. Amazing. Who does that? Who messes with a crime scene to that degree? You know, they had to kind of estimate where to put those truck lines next. The crime scene tape didn't go up for hours. They did not secure that site for hours. It was 9 hours. Mark's reminding me, 9 hours before they secured that scene. So much tampered with. Oh my goodness. We watched video after video of these officers walking around. The plane above is using their infrared camera and filming them searching the ground with their flashlight on the end of their gun, looking for shell casings, looking for, they said, spoons and pins and flash bombs, because they wanted to pick up sensitive material items because they didn't want anybody to get hurt, was their testimony. However, when you put the expert on, who is the trainer for these men in the HRT unit, they testify over and over again about how you do not pick up anything from a crime scene. You just don't do that. You're compromising the integrity of the scene. Over and over again, we heard testimony of how many different ways they compromised this crime scene. 9 hours before it was taped off. Vehicles moved. Men out there searching for material and picking things up, and you can clearly see that. Oh my gosh, you guys. And they want me to believe that they didn't plant that gun on my husband? Yeah, they did. Yeah, they did. Anyways, there was also testimony by the examiner that when she arrived there was a well-worn, hard-packed snow path from my husband's body to the passenger door of that truck, of his truck. That's key, because I think that gun could have been on the dash between the blanket. That's my thinking. And because he carried it there often.
2 magazines.
And I think that they could have easily put it in his pocket with the 9 hours they had to mess around with that crime scene, which they were doing. They were breaking protocol by walking around in that scene over and over and over again. Yes, what an interesting day. Very interesting day. I am grateful for the friends that continue to follow this story and that continue to support me in every single way that you are. Thank you so much. If you're interested in helping me with the legal battle that we are having, please go to onecowboystandforfreedom.com, and I have a legal fund button there. You're welcome to contribute there, or if you want to send me a message, I can get it through there. We also have a newsletter that you can sign up for, so that if I'm not doing these updates, you can get a written newsletter of my updates. But again, thank you for your support. God bless you all. Talk to you Monday.